Xin chào tất cả các anh em. Một thời gian rất là lâu rồi thì giờ mình mới quay lại cái game này, thì các anh em cùng thưởng thức với mình nhé. Những anh em nào chưa like hoặc chưa share video hoặc subscribe kênh của mình thì nhanh tay like, share và subscribe kênh cho mình nhé. Chúng ta hãy cùng coi xem Tú đã có những anh hùng mới nào. Đây là vũ trụ game của DC. Nói sơ qua thì mình cũng rất thích cái game Marvel kia. Còn cái game mình nói về những siêu anh hùng của DC này thì mình cũng không thích cho lắm, do đa số là cách đánh của nó cũng không sướng. Đồ họa thì không phải nói là không đẹp, nhưng mà có lẽ là do cái cách vẽ của cái game này nó hơi u tối. Ok, thì chúng ta đã quay trở lại game. Đây là game Injusted 2. Rồi mình tiếp tục vô campaign. Các anh em hãy cùng trải nghiệm với mình nhé. Cái game này thì nó hơi ưu tối một chút xíu, nên nhìn có vẻ là mình không thích lắm. Cái game này nhưng không làm cho đồ họa nó rất là đẹp. Không có đẹp quá đẹp.
evil? That's only the beginning. Brainiac's destabilized the planet's core. Krypton won't hold together much longer.
But all your research, isn't there something you can do?
That's why we're here.
A spaceship. That's what you've been working on?
Your Uncle Jor-El discovered a planet that can sustain Kryptonians far away from Brainiac. He's built a ship just like this for your cousin Cal.
But Cal, he's just a baby.
Which is why you'll need to protect him. Teach him our ways.
Me teach him? What about you? No, I won't leave you. Please don't make me.
I can't come with you, but you'll never be alone. You belong to the House of El, Kara, a house of hope. Never forget that. Never give up hope.
Get in.
Injusted.
In my years fighting crime, I've learned one truth. That every villain is the hero of his own story. Superman was no exception. The Joker drugged him, tricked him into killing his pregnant wife Lois, and made him trigger the bomb that nuked Metropolis. So when Superman killed the Joker, I understood why. We all did. But once that line was crossed, there was no going back. He gave himself and the Justice League a new mandate. Stop all crime before it happened, by any means necessary. But he couldn't see his good intentions were leading him down a path of tyranny and evil. That's how our greatest hero became our greatest threat.
So what if Superman's pulling criminals out of Arkham? They're the worst of the worst.
He's going to kill them, Damian.
Sounds like justice to me.
Killing people isn't justice. Superman can't see that. He's grieving. He needs time to heal.
Yeah, and what if it had been Gotham? If Joker had killed me, your own son? Thought you'd say that. It's not responding. We're being taken to the Batcave.
Prepare to eject. Shot, Cyborg.
I won't hurt you unless I have to.
You're gonna have to.
My friends were in Metropolis, Batman. Starfire, Beast Boy, gone. We do this. That never happens again.
You're right to be angry, but it's not a blank check. And the Justice League isn't a death squad. Begin.
whole town. Ready to get smacked down?
There's no place to hide. Yet, but Superman's wrong. Your glider skills need work.
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Let's go.
So you won't kill, but you're fine with traumatic brain injuries.
Secure the loading docks.
Here to help, Bruce?
Yes, to keep you and Clark from making a terrible mistake.
None of us wanted this, but the Joker forced our hand. Metropolis changed the world. Now we have to change with it.
Not like this.
Of all people, I thought you would understand.